you gonna tip over? Let's see you do it. Can you do it? Can you do it? Okay. Go up. There you go. Let's go this way. Woo! Okay, now let's see if you can go back over. Oh, I got it! He did it himself, and I got it. Yeah, first time. Good job, Calvin. Good job.
Good job.
That was so good. You can do it again? Woo! Almost had it. Come on. You got it. You got it. Yay! I think that's Joy. He's happy.